Hey guys, so I just wanted to come back on here. I am officially off of work. I've been off work for like 45 minutes now. I had that teletherapy session, but yes, it's the small things, guys. My husband came home and brought me some flowers and a case of Dr. Pepper and a birthday card, and I thought it was so sweet. Really didn't expect a lot. Like I said, we're not really doing a lot. We're probably about to go out to eat in a little bit, so I'm probably about to put on a little bit of makeup, like 5 minutes worth of makeup, and I don't know, I guess change, and then we can leave. So really trying to leave in the next 15 minutes because I'm so hungry. So let me grab my Dr. Pepper, and I'm gonna prop y'all up and we gonna get ready. Hey guys, so right now I'm just putting on a little bit of Maybelline Fit Me foundation all over my face, and it's not exactly my right color match, but I don't really care because I'm just throwing some makeup on. At this point, I'm just going to go ahead and swirl it around and cover up any imperfections that I have missed. No, this isn't really a tutorial, but I just kind of wanted to show you guys what I was doing and how I get ready. Now I'm going in and using some back. With this concealer, I'm just putting it under my eyes, on my forehead, the bridge of my nose, and a little bit above my lip, and I'm going to go ahead and blend that in with the same brush. I'm really not trying to do the most. I'm going to go ahead and fill in some eyebrows, and with that, I'm using some type of beauty supply store eyebrow pencil. My husband got me in the background laughing, but just going in and lightly filling them in. I really need my eyebrows done, but I did not get them done when I went to get my nails done yesterday, so yeah, about that. We're just gonna put some Maybelline Fit Me setting powder in those areas that we concealed, because that concealer can get super oily. So just going ahead and putting that on there, as well as a darker Maybelline Fit Me powder as a contour, because I left my contour kit in the bathroom. I'm putting on some Ardell Wispy's mascara, and I'm probably gonna 2 stripes, shawty?
Corporal.
Ooh, corporal.
I just need one more, and then it'll be sergeant. Should be next month.
Okay.
You don't like it?
Pass up then.
You didn't even notice it.
I did not. Oh, we can't have stuff on mine. For a little
well, if I didn't have this on, you know what rank I would be?
When swimming one
what rank would I be if I didn't have this on?
Specialist. Nothing.
You won.
Yeah, so I just put on a little bit of lip gloss, lip liner, and moisturized my face to set it. Drank me enough pepper while that was drying, and we are good to go. I do need to brush the makeup off my shirt, so I'm doing that while that's drying, and we're good. She's ready. I'm not doing a lot today, for real. To try to calm this a little bit, because this wig ain't cutting it, baby. I'm losing tracks by the minute. So I'll talk to you guys when we get to dinner, and I'm gonna change and get baby sort of situated real quick. Okay, baby. Okay. Let me go to regular YouTube. Excuse me. A, B, C, D. Okay, sneaker butt. I'm trying to get it to work. Something wrong with the Wi-Fi. But son, I don't know. Hey guys, so we are now in Best Buy. We thought we was about to go out to eat, but we called the place and they said that every restaurant in the whole state is shut down for dining. So I did that little bit of makeup that you guys saw earlier for nothing. But babe is gonna buy me this since I didn't get a camera for my birthday. I guess I'm gonna have to keep vlogging on my phone. But I restored my phone today, so I have a lot of storage, and I'm just gonna start uploading them to iCloud on the same day, so that I won't, you know, hold up a lot of storage on my phone. But yeah, we got a mic now, we got a little handheld tripod, and I think this will be cute, and I'll have a lot better audio, right, with the videos. So when I do get a camera, I'll be able to use it with this too. So it'll be good to have. The Canon G7 Mark II is still on sale. I was gonna get the Sony A5000 or something like that, and that was around the same price. So they're like both around $400 or $500. They said that the Sony overheats after you have it recorded for 10 minutes, and y'all know I can talk, so that one wasn't gonna work for me. So I went to see if the Canon was still on sale, and it was. I'm gonna debate if I want it for Christmas or if I'm just gonna buy it for myself, but it shall come before the new year. Hopefully I will no longer be recording on my phone, and I'll have a better camera. But I gotta get my subscribers up so I can afford these things. So y'all go ahead and subscribe while we on that topic. Like this video, comment, share with everybody so they can see it too. No, baby, I already have all of that. I don't have a mic. Mind you, neither one of us have eaten really all day, so we just gotta go pick up this hibachi. We called in the order, and yeah, so I gotta put my mask back on. Social distance. What were you trying to show me, baby? You pointed something. So yeah, I'll talk to y'all when we get back to the house. Birthday girl. Trying to make my eyebrows move. So we made it back home. My friend's husband made me a cake. Looks oh so delicious. These are the lovely flowers that my husband got me, and my card. And this is documentation that I actually had on the outfit. I have on a new outfit actually. I don't know if you guys can see, but hubby got me some new Timbs. So I have these on with a Guess peacoat. This shirt I got from Burlington, and leggings are from Torrid. Yeah. Little one over here had his outfit on, but he is finna be in the tub.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Baby had his outfit on. He said we don't want to see his, so. Oh. Yep, so he had his man stuff on. Y'all, please excuse this house. Like, I'm trying not to only show certain parts because the cleaning lady, like I said, is coming tomorrow, so no need to try to be perfect here, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog here. I had a great birthday, and thank you guys for all of the birthday wishes and phone calls, text messages, all of that. Hopefully we get it back with you guys soon, because I was at work when majority of you guys were messaging me. So he got me, y'all. So I'm sitting here talking shit about not getting gifts and this and that. So he got me this little thermos, and I'm just like, oh, it's a regular cup, like whatever, cup. But it was a Starbucks gift card on the inside, so he ended up getting me, y'all, because he said you have another gift, but it's hidden, you have to find it. So I thought it was so cute. So now we have my birthday gift that I picked out, and I'm about to just do a little unboxing, opening it. I said we was gonna be done with the vlog tonight, but he said try it out. So no.
And then here's your other little cable now. I'm putting it in this bag.
That one is for the camera.
Keep up this one.
Okay guys, I guess we are finally about to end the vlog. I figured out how to do the tripod.
You.
So yes, me.
Y'all, she did not figure that out. Don't let her tell y'all.
We figured it out.
Yes.
My son in the background with his nursery rhyme, so I gotta talk loud as hell before I get copyrighted. We can't get paid for this video, son. Good night. And I'll talk to you in the next one. Peace.